We have been Temu hunting. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Temu can get irritating. All right, especially with all the advertisings and all this stuff. Oh, get 5 things free, but you purchase this in the cart. You guys, I put the 5 things I wanted free. I didn't get it, so I am not going with that stupid promotions no more. I'm not doing it no more. All right, but I will still purchase from Temu because they have some good stuff on there, nice pricing and all of that good stuff. So right here we have the reducer set right here that I got, and I lost this one right here, and I try to ask them can I get a replacement since I lost it, but they said no, blase blase. I was already out of warranty, you guys. So I purchased this back in like January or February, something like that. So I'm already out of warranty. But right here we have a nice reducer set. We have a 1/2 inch to 3/4. We have 3/8 to 1/4, which is probably be commonly used. We have a 1/2 to 3/8, another common one that will be used. All right. And we have the 3/8 to 1/2. All right. And this one was a quarter one, but it's gone. So it is what it is. I lost it. All right. And then we have the humongous one right here. You got 3/4 to 1/2, which is pretty much insane. Okay. So that's it with that. And then I got this 1/4 inch socket ratchet right here, and it extends to get that extra leverage, but that's all I'm getting right there. All right. So this is pretty cool. I will link both of these in the description. I do have another set of reducer from Amazon, but this is from Temu, just to let everybody know. But yeah, again, I can't use this because the one I needed is right here for my quarter set. But anyways, this is pretty cool, and it comes in this case. I did not purchase this case. It came with this case, which is pretty awesome because it keeps everything nice and organized. But as you can see, the case is about to fall apart, as y'all can see. Let me put this in correctly. All right. Snap that. So as y'all can see, I mean, it's cheap, you guys. So it is what it is with that. But yeah, just wanted to show you this cool Temu stuff. And I'm not falling for the tricks as far as get 50 things free and then put this in your cart and all that. No, I'm not doing that no more. But that's it when it comes to Temu. This is the only 2 things I bought from Temu this year. It's been a while since I purchased anything from Temu, but I have to say that Temu do have a good return policy. I think it's like 60 days or something. So there's, I mean, can't really beat that as far as online goes, because you know online is mainly 30 days. So that will be it.